Mike Catalano with Real Estate Connections. We're a residential property management firm in Los Gatos, working in the Santa Clara County area. And today we're going to talk about the security deposit return for a tenant. A security deposit return is probably the most touchy subject and the biggest controversy when it comes to landlord-tenant relationships. And there are a couple main topics that we're going to talk about to keep it short and sweet. Of course, there's more aspects to it, but we'll just talk about a few. The first thing is when a tenant is moving out, they have the right to have a pre-move-out inspection. If they request that, you are supposed to give that to them. And that means you go to the property and give them the opportunity to fix or paint or clean things and tell them what they need to do, so they have the opportunity to get a full security deposit return. Once the tenant is moved out, you can go in and do your final walkthrough and see what they've done and how they've done it. If they've done everything great, then that's good. I mean, you can always look at charging for, carpet cleaning and cleanliness of the property, but those are things that you have to determine on how the property condition was prior to moving in. The most important thing for your security deposit is to make sure you return it on time. 21 days from the date the tenant moves out is when you have to return the security deposit. And in our experience here, it's important to not wait to the 21st day. If it becomes an issue and they go to court, now if you don't return it on time, you have the possibility of having to return the full deposit to the tenant ×2. So it's very important that it gets out on time, and I can tell you from our experience that if you go to court for this and the judge sees you turning it over to the tenant on the 21st day, it's not going to look good for you. So it's important that you get it out on time. You have to show copies of the bills and do a security, it's called a deposition of security deposit, showing what you're charging them for. Now, what you charge them for is another story, and we can talk a long time on that. So if there are things like that you want to discuss, we're always here to help and answer any questions that you have. This is Mike Catalano with Real Estate Connections, residential property management company in Los Gatos, California. Thank you.